Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to manage user roles and access in Monday.com to keep your workspace secure and organized, this guide will show you step by step how to do it. Step 1. Open the admin panel. Click your profile picture to admin to users. Here you'll see all members, guests, and their current roles. Step 2. Understand user roles. Monday.com offers three main roles: admin, full access to all boards, settings, and workspace management. Member can access and edit boards they are added to. Guest, limited access, usually only to specific boards or items. Step 3, change user roles. Select a user, then click Change Role, then choose Admin, Member, or Guest based on their responsibilities. Step 4, adjust board level permissions. Open a board to Board Settings to Permissions. Decide who can edit items, add new items, or just view content. This helps restrict sensitive data. Step 5, manage workspace access. Ensure users are added to the correct workspace. Guests or new members without access won't see certain boards. Step 6, remove inactive users. From the admin panel, deactivate users who no longer need access. This prevents unauthorized access to boards and automations. Step 7, control app and integration access. Admins can restrict which users can use apps, automations, or integrations to prevent misuse. Step 8, monitor and audit access regularly. Regularly review user roles, board permissions, and integrations to ensure your workspace stays secure and efficient. Managing user roles and access in Monday.com ensures security, clarity, and proper workflow control across your teams. Follow these steps and your Monday.com workspace will stay organized and safe. See you in the next guide.